Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Volkswagen Tiguan 2.0 TDI R-Line DSG 4Motion. Now, this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Atlantic Blue Metallic. To start off with, then, you have your LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 20-inch Suzuka alloy wheels with a two-tone finish, really complementing against the Atlantic blue exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring that any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your boot space, where you can see you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a medium-sized suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the race cloth and San Remo microfiber seats. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away for that fifth passenger. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle also has a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your volume controls, hands-free options, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 86,312 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. You also have your Bluetooth connection, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst travelling. You also have your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. And you also have Apple Carplay and Android Auto supported via a USB, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst on the go. And you also have parking sensors. You also have a dual zone climate control, where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust airflow and airflow direction. You also have front heated seats, which is a luxury to have. This has been a presentation on a Volkswagen Tiguan 2.0 TDI R-Line DSG 4Motion that's now available to purchase from Motor Match Stafford. For more information, please contact our sales team.